Okay, so you've got a nice Zenith solid state Trans-Oceanic, maybe a 1000 or a 3000. You just have one problem. You're either missing the battery box, or if you have an original battery box, it's so badly corroded that you can't use it. Somebody years ago left carbon zinc batteries in it, and you've got a really bad mess in there. If you've tried to buy one on eBay, you've noted that they usually go for about $50 if you can find one. So what I've done is make a replacement battery box that you can purchase from me and use it just like the original to operate your 1000 or 3000 series solid state Zenith Trans-Oceanic radio. This is the replacement battery box. It is very similar to the original, the same size, and it takes 9 batteries. The first 8 here are to power your chassis, and then the 9th one here powers the dial light. There's a little brass contact here that goes between the 8th and the 9th battery, and that's how you get your dual power here. Your 1.5 volts for the dial light and your 12 volts for the radio. Another feature, this connector, which is 3D printed, has a red index mark, and when you go to install this in your radio, you just put that index mark at the 12 o'clock position and it goes right on. The original can sometimes take a little fumbling to get the pins oriented properly so that the plug can, or you get the plug oriented properly to fit over these 3 pins right here. So, here's one that I've loaded up with batteries. It's all ready to go. We've got our connector here, and there's our little red index mark. So we just put that at 12 o'clock, and it slides right on.
Us on Facebook. That's yourclassical.org/symphonycast. APM Symphonycast is produced by Avital Rabinowitz.
So the box fits in here just like the original does. And then just close your door. So we've got 12 volts powering the chassis, and then your dial light works off the 1.5. So there you go. You can find these on my website. The information will be posted at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.